Hey, what up, YouTube? D4G here, banging out another video. Man, look, I just got in from the gym, got me a little workout in, and look, boy, that package finally came in the mail. Let's get it. What up, everybody? Welcome to the channel, man. If you're new, over here on this side of YouTube, we talk about FFL, football, fragrance, lifestyle. If that's something that you're interested in, make sure you hit the subscribe button, as well as the bell notification so that you can be updated anytime we drop this content. Now look, like I said, I got here, the box was here. I already took everything out because I want to go ahead and get this started. I ain't gonna lie, I've been waiting on this one. We're just gonna go ahead and get straight into it, man. So as you see from the title, today we have us a Lattafa unboxed. I already see it in the title. There's no need to even talk about it. So we got the first one right here. We got the first one right here. I already got my strips to the side. Man, the first one we're gonna go over is Rockbot Wood Intense. Rockbot Wood Intense. This is an eau de parfum concentration, so you know we rocking with the EDP. Damn, I ain't even show y'all the box, man. I'm trying. I ain't gonna lie, I'm just ready to open this thing up. But it's a nice box, you know what I'm saying? Nice little. Alright, cool. Y'all see how that. Hey, boy, this old nice, man. I'm rocking with this. Alright, man, so as you see right here on the front, we got Rockbot Wood Intent. Nothing on the side, but it does have like a wooden sticker. I'm pretty sure that's a sticker, but you know, glass bottle, not bad. Cap got some good weight too. Hold on, let me see, caps here. Oh, yeah. This is a good cap. This is a good cap. You gotta push this into place real good. It snugs into place. This is good. Now let's see how this one smells. I like this bottle a lot. This is a nice cap too. But yeah, this is a good looking bottle though, for real. Turn this around and see what we got. Oh yeah, good. Ain't nobody been on this one yet. Okay, I'm liking it. World twirl that thing, world twirl. I can already smell it. Lord have mercy. Hold on. Hey, ignore, like I said, man, I just got out of the gym, so ignore all the, you know what I'm saying? I know I ain't got no TV. Ignore all that. Got a hoodie, got my gym hoodie on and shit. Oh yeah, this is super woodsy, man. Super woodsy. But it smells like it has like a vanilla type of sweetness underneath it. I'm definitely getting something sweet, but it's a lot of wood. Like this is a straight woodsy fragrance. Like so, if you're not big, if you don't like woods, or if you're not big on like earthy style notes, like definitely don't get this. But if you're open to trying woods, if you do like woods, fragrances with like a sweet undertone, this is good, man. Hey, I rocks with this one. Now it says intense. Oh no, man, this don't smell as intense as you would think. I'm gonna have to get this aware. But up top, man, that's a good one. Up top, it's a good fragrance. That definitely smells like something that's gonna be more so towards that fall, winter time. So definitely keep that in mind there. Honestly, I would like to think that majority of these that I have is gonna be used for the fall, winter. Reaching for the next one. Now this one I've heard a lot of people talk about. I still don't know how to pronounce it, man. Kayed from Lattafa, man. So look, that's what it is, man. I don't know. I need to figure out how to pronounce a lot of these things, a lot of these fragrances. Because I'm gonna be getting into a lot of these Middle Eastern fragrances. And 9 times out of 10, I'm not gonna know how to pronounce it. So I need to go ahead and get that under control. But let's get into it. This is supposed to be 100 ml as well. EDP concentration. Trying to get all this. Now the bottle, the presentation, the case, I'm definitely going to keep this. I do like the way this is set up. Nice. It has like a leather feel to it. It's nice. And then you pop it open and then go your bottle. Oh man, hold on. Like I like how it just sits in there very nice. And this is a lot bigger than I was expecting it to be. I wasn't expecting it to be this big. This is a nice looking bottle too though. Oh, and then you can see the juice at the bottom of it too. It has like an amber style juice to it. Let's get this thing to spray, man. This bottle is big as hell though. And then even on, like if you look on the inside right there, got like eau de parfum, lets you know the size. So let's spray it. Let's see what this hitting on. Cause they say this one might be one of the best Lattafa fragrances out there. So we definitely gonna be the judge of that. All right, let's see. Hey, this be bad too. Hold on, man. I'm smelling some leather. Smelling a lot of leather. Well, at least what's coming off to me is leather. I wonder if that patchouli up in there. It's giving me like earthy vibes, like leather, earthy vibes. I'm not getting no type of sweetness in here, no citrus. I'm not getting no fruit cores. I think I'm getting cardamom in this. This is gonna be another good one for the fall, winter time. Like this is giving me leather biker vibes. Like I'm dead serious. Like leather jacket type outfit. That's what this fragrance smells like. Like this shit, like if I had a leather jacket, like one of the ones with the hoods, oh yeah, this is the fragrance I'd be wearing for that day. This be good. Yeah, this thing has some cardamom. I want to say that's cardamom here. That has to be cardamom. But it's more leather. Either way, man, I'm rocking with this one too. Let's let that one dry down and see what that one gonna do. So we got another one. This time, hey, now this one is the one I've been wanting to. This one might be the one out of the bunch that I want to see the most. Talking about Kashba. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'll see it. Kashba. So we're gonna see what this one is. I ain't gonna lie, I really do like the bottle on this one. Like the presentation on this one pretty dope. So, but I did hear that the juice on the inside was pretty good as well. And some of the things and from some of the notes that I've seen on it, look like it'll be some good juice. So hold on, how do we? Oh snap! Okay, I didn't know that. So there go the front sides right there. Got the back with all that information like so, and then it just slides like this right here. And then the bottle should just pop straight out. And then hold on, look like it might have a heart or something up there. Oh nope. And here we go. This is not bad. Kashba looking nice. Got the Lattafa stamp on the top there. Kashba looking good. I like this one. I definitely like the bottle on this. Very dope bottle presentation. I can still smell that second one. I can still smell that cayenne. I can still smell that leather. I'm telling you, that it's good though. It's definitely good. Ooh. Hold on, man, bruh. This one has like I want to say sharpness, but I don't think that would be the best term for it. But it is somewhat sharp. Bro, this shit good, man. I don't know what to. It's like I can't smell just one particular. Like it's giving me earthy vibes. It has like a certain freshness to it. I'm gonna have to pull up the notes on this one. This one I'm gonna have to pull up the notes because I can't think of. Yeah, I can't. This one got me stuck. Just know it smells good. This shit is amazing right here. Now this one smells real good. The other two smell good too, but this one right here is okay. So here we are with the notes. So I knew I was smelling something, man. It was man. It's that citrus. Okay. So up top in this one we have lemon and bergamot. In the mid we have rose, jasmine, white flowers. And in the base, we have woody notes and musk. And that makes sense. The thing that you get the most up top that I'm really getting that lemon and that bergamot. But I'm also getting those woodsy notes. Like those woodsy notes are so heavy. I'm not really getting too much of anything that seems floral in this fragrance. I'm just getting a lot of the citrus up top as well as some of the woodsy notes. Maybe that rose and flower might come out at the a little bit more in the dry down, but right now I'm just getting straight woodsy note. But that bitch good though, man. That bitch good. That bitch good. This might be a good spring, summertime, and fall. I might be able to do a little something with that one. I just can't think of night or day right now. Maybe more today. Maybe more day. Maybe more so day. All right, man. 2 more to go. So on this one, the 4th one, we have Lattafa Royal Blend. So Lattafa Royal Blend. Now this one is supposed to be another one that from the note breakdown it was looking like a good spring summertime one. And let's get straight to it. I'm trying to this video kind of getting long already. I know I ain't keeping that box. They got some nice bottles, man. They have some nice bottles. Another 100 ml. I don't know why I thought that bottom said something else. But another 100 ml. Let's just go ahead and get straight to it. I'm starting to smell the floral coming out more so in that Kashba now. I'm definitely starting to get some of that floral coming out. The atomizers on these have been real good, by the way. None of them have been a slouch. None that I can really complain about as far as the atomizer goes. These are pretty good. This one right here. Oh, bro, this shit right here. This Royal Blends is, oh my. Hey. This is smelling like, it's reminding me of a certain like leave-in conditioner, leave-in shampoo, like hair grease, scalp grease, like it's giving me that type of smell. That's the first thing that came to my mind. I was like, damn, this reminds me of like real talk. This smells like a sister that keeps her hair together. Like she got natural hair, like she got good products, like good products. She ain't got none of that cheap shit. Like she got them good ass products in her hair, and you get a whiff of it. That's what this shit smell like. Damn, this shit. But this shit good, man. This one good too. Oh man, yeah, I'm rocking with this one. This one. Now, out of all the ones that I've opened so far, this one is definitely more unisex out of the bunch. The other ones were all from the Rockbot Wood Intense men. Cayenne, more so men. Kashba, that one could be unisex, but it still leaves more masculine and feminine. This one, I can see it being directly in the middle. Masculine, feminine. I can see how I can go both ways. But this one does have like that royal touch to it, so the name is fitting. And it definitely smells like it's a lot of things blended into one. But man, this is a great smell. Now this one, I don't know. This one might be fall, winter, spring. Like you might be able to get some like sweetness throughout the fall and winter with this one, but it's more so of like yeah, man. This has body. This one got body. Yeah, this one's gonna be good for us. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure that one can be used during the spring and fall. That one, I mean during the fall and winter. That one is giving fall, winter body style vibe. Like that one's good as hell too. And the last one that we have is gonna be Rockbot for men. Now this one here actually came with a deodorant spray as well. Now I don't know if I'm gonna use the deodorant at all, but how it opens up, slide it off like that. So you got a sleeve, and you got the box right here. Same thing set up, Rockbot for men. Now this one I think is supposed to be like a Millicene Imperial clone or twist. It's supposed to be something like that. I think it's more so of a clone than it is a twist though. Oh yeah, this is, yeah. I could already smell it. Oh no! Oh no, bro. What's going on, fam? No wonder why I can already smell it, bruh. That whole broke. Bruh, that's some BS, dog. Like, that bit broke off, man. And the spring keep jumping out that bitch. So I need the spring, I think. Ooh. Never mind, I might not need the spring, because it wasn't spraying like this, but hey, man, forget all that. Let's get into the smell, because I sprayed it, like it's on this, you can smell it without it. Bro, man, hey, man, understand this right now. This is the best Green Irish Tweed clone I have smelled yet, so far. This is way better than Treasure New by far, like. This shit is, bro, this shit, oh my, the citrus, this shit is uplifting. Bro, this is a good ass fragrance, dog. Like, this shit is so good. This one, besides the way my damn cat sprayed, this one right here might take the cake. That one might take the cake. Let me go back to the Royal Blends. Let me see what that one doing. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that one doing the same thing. That was definitely unisex. Definitely unisex. Royal Blends is unisex. Okay, Kashba doing something different now. And it definitely went woodsy, earthy. Not complaining. I like that. But it's definitely went along that woodsy, earthy base. This one will probably be real good at a cigar lounge. Yeah, I'm rocking with that one. Let's try this Wood Intense. Oh, yeah. Still woodsy, still sweet. It's almost like a woodsy, syrupy type sweetness. It's good. I'm rocking with this one too. Yeah, Wood Intense is real good. I like that woodsy, sweet combination that they have going on. And Cayenne, yeah, this one, woodsy, earthy, no sweetness to it, no citrus to it. Just a very clean, woodsy, clean type, earthy smell. I'm liking that. Off of vanilla, bro, hey, off top though, this dude right here might be the one that's taking the cake. This Rockbot for men, that one might take the cake. I still like this Royal Blends, though. That Royal Blends is, oh, that bitch good. And then this Kashba, that Kashba could be a close second. I don't know, I'm gonna have to figure it out. I don't want to take too much more time because the video already getting long. That was the video right there. Man, look, I know I took a little bit long. I apologize. These are some good ass fragrances, man. I need to do another one because Lattafa got some good shit. Like if I take the Lattafa one versus the Armand one, I want to say that I feel more positive about the Lattafa one than I did the Armand one when I got it. I don't know, I could be. Maybe it's just off of initial hype from just not getting it, but this shit good right here. I like this. I can't wait to wear these. I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here, man. I'm taking too much of y'all time. Hey, I really hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Thank y'all if y'all stayed here. I appreciate that. Hope y'all have a great day. Hope y'all have a phenomenal day. But y'all know what it is, man. About to get up out of here. So D4G, truly blessed, destined for greatness. We out.